friends, welcome to Mithi's kitchen. Today we are making chicken paratha, and chicken paratha is really very tasty recipes, and you will see that how it will be more delicious. And I will use all-purpose flour. So all-purpose flour will turn any food with like in pastry, like we purchase from the commercial world. So you will see the completely different taste. And for that ingredients, I have half cup of 1 cup of chicken, means like a half pound, over little bit, half pound, like a 500 grams in chicken. And then cumin seed, like 1 tablespoon, and quarter tablespoon of garlic and ginger, and also 1 green chili, quarter tablespoon of teaspoon of turmeric, quarter of each red chili powder, spicy one, and also salt, and medium size of onion, and 2 tablespoon of cilantro, like a kothmeer. So now we will start that. We will not use much oil because we have to let it dry, but definitely we will use for how much we need for our chicken. So now we will add our cumin. You can see that my pan is enough hot, so at this point I will add chicken. So now we will spread in whole pan this whole chicken so it will dry very quick. At this point we will add our garlic, ginger, and also dry spices. I want you to try this recipe. It's really very tasty and it's very easy also because it doesn't take too long, and especially when you cook chicken, it's always quick to cook, so you will enjoy it a lot. And we will let it cook until it is all moisture and dry. So friends, now we will add our green chili, onion, and also cilantro. So now you can see that our chicken dried very well. So at this point we will turn off stove. We don't need to cook anymore, and we don't have to cook onion and pepper and cilantro much. It has to be a little bit crunchy. So we will let it cool down and we will make a dough. So friends, I have 1.5 cup all-purpose flour and 1/2 cup regular or wheat flour. For that, 1/4 spoon of salt I'm adding in that, and this flour, and just couple tablespoon of oil to make the dough a little bit soft. And we don't have to make dough too soft or too hard, just like a medium. But this is just, I have water for the like a 2 cup, but we might need probably less than half cup of water. So friends, now you can see that our dough is ready, and also our mixture is getting ready too. It's not that hard, just like very low. So at this point we will start making our paratha. So now I'm planning to use this much dough, and what we need to do, try to make it round. And we will add our fried chicken in it. And you can see that our onion is stands very well, so we don't have to cook that much soggy. And also, my one good tip about this chicken paratha, I want you to add little bit spices, if you like it, such as like a green pepper. Mine is favorite, and also my garlic is very spicy too. So it will be really tasty. It comes out so well. I really love that all the time. Anything with the, when you fill with the dough, the spices comes out very well. And now you can see that our, and when you roll it, you need to do little bit soft way, because there is our chicken inside, so we have to do it little bit soft. And so many times, this kind of stuffing, any kind of parathas, we like to keep it little bit thick, so that can hold our stuffing very good inside, and it don't come out. But sometime I do see like something sparkling, like this. So that's not bad. It is really nice. So that will cook with the direct with the heat, and it's turn out very well. So I'm trying to go as much as I could, but not much. You can see that. So friends, I have applied little bit ghee on the pan, and we are letting roast our paratha. And while it's cooking that one, we will make ready for the second one. You can see that it's cooking very well. Meanwhile, I make ready another one. When my kids was young, I was cooking lot, because I always try to cook at home. So we are not that much restaurants fan, so cooking was my hobby. I love to cook, and my family always loved that. So I really like to cook. you can see that our paratha is frying very well. So friends, now you can see that my paratha is ready, and you can see that you can see chicken over here, and it's really very, I really like that way. It will cook direct with the heat, and it will be very tasty. And one good tips I repeated earlier too, I want you to add little bit spicy, and you will really love it. You can eat with any pickle or something, or sometimes people likes with a ketchup, but however you like it, you can eat with that. But it's really very tasty parathas, and my favorite one is, time to time I love to do it. And I am little bit creative about food because that was my childhood's hobby. That earlier I had mentioned about, my sister was cooking good and I learned from them. So it was probably in heritage, cooking is really hobby. So I want you to follow this recipe, you will really enjoy. And if you have any question, comment, please let me know in my comment box. And I'll be back again with another simple recipes. Until then, have a blessed day.